So welcome to my channel guys. My channel name is 75 English Speaking Challenge. So today I will make you practice about tenses, simple tenses, past tenses and future tenses. So guys, before start the class, I just give you a brief introduction about tenses. These three tenses I just give you what is these tenses and what is all about these tenses. So guys, when we talking about simple tense, so that time in that time we use that time we spoke uh, that time we say when we try to say something in a present, like I eat, I go, I read, I study, I play, I go, he goes, goes to school. So I go to school, and next thing I take shower, I I brush my teeth, and I wear my clothes, and when lot of things like uh, I go to college. I go college daily, and I get up early in the morning, and so these kind of sentence we make in a simple tense. When we talking about past tense, that time we use second forms, like I went there, I came here, I eat ate food, and lot of sentence we make in a second form. The second form when we're talking about past, uh, I lack of knowledge about past tense, because I'm not reading about past tense. So that's why I give you that much in I know three and four sentences, like if we say I got up, मैंने उठा, when we use sentence go, get, got. So these is the like I got up early in the morning, मैं उठा था कल, जो भी है, that's so uh, I got a car, मैं मुझे कार मतलब कार ली, so I got a money, so that is this sentence we make in a past. So that time we use second form verb. This second form. Today I come with a very good knowledge about past. So guys, before next our thing is future tense. When we using about future tense, when we use future tense, so that time we only talking about imagination world, not a world. So like if I say कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा कल, so it's mean तुम जा नहीं रहे हो, तुम गए नहीं हो, तुम जाओगे. So that time we use will. It's very simple sentence. Before some time we use shall, but now it's destroy. Nobody use shall in at this time, because shall sometime we use, but I don't think we should use this. So how to make how to make sentence in a future, like I will go, I will come, I will eat, I will sleep, I will wake up, I will take bath, I will go to Jaipur tomorrow, I will I will do my work, I will beat you, I will study, I will I will open the door, I will watch the match, I will see you tomorrow, I will go somewhere with you tomorrow. So these kind of sentence we make in our in a future tense. So guys, ahead, like we now we have to go in another sentence like present continue, past continue, and future continue. So now I give you a more knowledge about these sentence. When we talking about something, it's happen in a present. Like if I'm doing something, I'm like, if I'm like I just give you one example. I'm doing something, I play cricket, like I'm playing cricket. So मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ. इफ आई गिव यू इन हिंदी एग्जाम्पल, मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ, मैं गाने सुन रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं रो रहा हूँ. So how we make sentence in these kind of structure? Like if I'm talking, I just I playing, I am going, I am eating, I am sleeping. So we done sentence in with eyes, I, and now we make sentence with his. He is playing. He is. When we use he, so that time we use also is. When we use I, that time we use am. And then when we talking about bahuvachan, like if I say bahuvachan, singular person, so that time we use are. like टू या टू से ज़्यादा जो उनमें यूज़ करते हैं हम, दैट टाइम वी यूज़ आर. लाइक दे आर गोइंग, वे जा रहे हैं, दे आर प्लेइंग, वे खेल रहे हैं. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस वी मेक इन दिस क्लास. सो गाइज नाउ I will give you example. Like I haven't board otherwise if I teach you in a blackboard easily, because I'm able to express myself now, because after 2 months or 3 months I will be able to express myself very very good way, in a very good way. Okay, so if I'm talking about if I'm talking about present continuous tense, so I'm playing, मैं खेल रहा हूँ, I'm sleeping, मैं सो रहा हूँ, I'm eating, मैं खा रहा हूँ, I'm watching TV, मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ. If I'm talking about the structure of simple continuous tense, is the subject verb की first form, subject is MR, verb की first form, उसके साथ ing, with ing and object. So this is the structure of present continuous tense. So we try to make questions, we try to make sentences in a present continuous tense. So guys, like if I say I am going जयपुर, मैं जयपुर जा रहा हूँ. सो आई एम गोइंग जयपुर, मैं जयपुर जा रहा हूँ. सो मैं पतासी खा रहा हूँ, आई एम ईटिंग पतासी. आई डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ पतासी, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज हिंदी वर्ड. इट डजंट मीन कि listen, you don't judge me, because I am just learning. It's my learning phase, or I try to make videos, because I haven't any person, so I do practice with him or with her. So yeah, that's why I use this way to do practice. So guys, like if I talking about he is going, he is playing, he is watching TV, he is वह टीवी देख रहा है, वह क्या कर रहा है, what he is doing, like he is watching TV. So that time we use this kind of sentence. So like if I say they play cricket, they playing cricket, not they play cricket. I'm just sorry for this, I slapped my mind. They play अरे चुप हो जा. So that time we use this kind of sentence. Sorry for interrupting because these children, they are fighting with each other. So that's why I say I have to say this. Stop this, otherwise I beat you. So leave this, leave it. So guys, if I'm talking these no, if I'm talking not like I have completed sentence with is and now I'm talking about are. Like these boy are playing cricket. तो वो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. सो इफ आई ट्राई टू से कि वी आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग मतलब हम जा रहे हैं. वी आर वॉचिंग टीवी, हम टीवी देख रहे हैं. वी आर इंजॉइंग मतलब हम इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, तुम्हें समझना पड़ेगा द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. लाइक हिंदी में इफ आई से इन हिंदी कि अगर हम हिंदी में कोई चीज बोलते हैं, कर रहा हूँ, खा रहा हूँ, पी रहा हूँ, सो रहा हूँ, नाच रहा हूँ, गा रहा हूँ, तो दैट टाइम वी यूज सिंपल कंटिन्यू टेंस. मतलब काम चल रहा है, वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, यू नो. सो दैट टाइम वी यूज सिंपल कंटिन्यूस टेंस. सो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द like how to make question from helping verb. So you need to understand that time because I'm not able to make good sentences because I'm making sentence that I know. These sentence I know, that's why I'm making. If I after this course I do more practice with my booklet, so I will be able to teach you good in a good manner, a good way. So listen, now I am talking how we make question from helping verb. Like if I am say क्या तुम टीवी देख रहे हो, आर यू वॉचिंग टीवी. क्या तुम खाना खा रहे हो, आर यू ईटिंग फूड. क्या तुम जा रहे हो, आर यू गोइंग. क्या तुम नहा रहे हो, आर यू टेकिंग मतलब क्या तुम नहा रहे हो, आर यू टेकिंग शावर. आर यू टेकिंग शावर मतलब तुम नहा रहे हो. सो वी मेक लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन लाइक क्या ये सही है, इज दिस राइट, इज दिस राइट. सो इट इज नॉट अ प्रेजेंट, ये इज सिंपल टेंस है, simple tense sentence. So we don't use this sentence. Like if I say कि तुम खाना खा रहे हो, like मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, क्या मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. तो this kind of sentence not make in this way. Like I'm not ask myself how I ask myself. So that's why only we use is and is are. And we don't use. Like he is going, वह जा रहा है. Is he going, क्या वह जा रहा है, क्या वह खा रहा है. He is eating, is he eating, क्या वह टीवी देख रहा है. Is he watching TV. So क्या वो फोन चला रहा है. Is he using phone. So क्या वो डांस कर रहा है. Is he dancing. Is he dancing. And if we talking about she, like how we say क्या वह डांस कर रही है. Is she dancing. Is she dancing. Is she doing dance. Not this sentence is not correct. Is she do dance. Not, this is not the right sentence. We use is she dancing. So if I say like we complete the sentence, we complete the how we make sentence from helping verb, and now we talking about the past tense, past continuous tense. So like brother, if I teach you one thing that I told that my sir taught me, like if I'm talking about the uh, if I'm talking about the future continuous tense, so sorry, past continuous tense, like हम कोई काम पीछे कर रहे थे, जैसे मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था, आई ड्राइविंग कार, आई एम ड्राइविंग कार, सॉरी फॉर दैट, आई वॉज ड्राइविंग कार, आई वॉज ड्राइविंग कार, मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था, मैं खाना बना रहा था, आई वॉज कुकिंग फूड, मैं टीवी देख रहा था, I was watching TV while he came. So, and that how we make uh, uh, I was mopping the floor while he came. So मॉप यानी होता है भाई दोस्तों, मॉप यानी होता है पोंछा लगाना, मॉप द फ्लोर। स्वीप यानी होती है जो झाड़ू निकालते हैं वो। सो I give you sentences because they also help you to improve your English communication. Yeah, they improve your vocabulary also. So people, you think you heard about this kind of statement okay, when we use when we speak, so there's no use of tenses, but I just want to tell you one thing that is important for you, because when we talking, when we speak English, so that time we have a knowledge about tenses. I'm not saying कि you use tenses in every sentence, but you have a knowledge about tenses, because if you have knowledge about tenses, so you will implement these things. But if you don't have any knowledge about tenses something, so how you use? So people trying to say, but you need to clear your mind, because you are the owner of yourself. So you decided what is right and what is wrong for you. So guys, I'm come to the topic, like we use how we make sentences with was and were. So the structure of past continuous tense is subject was were plus verb की first form में ing with subject object. So I haven't completed the structure of, I just told you about the structure. You can write down this structure because it's helped you a lot. So let's ahead. So if I talking about the like how we make sentence, so like now I started repeating the sentence. Sorry for this, because I'm not expert. I told you in my next class. Not a next. I just told you about my, in my previous class also, but I just want to tell you in my this class also. Okay, I'm not expert. I'm just learning. I'm in my learning phase, so that's why I'm doing mistakes. So don't take things seriously. I am here for teach you as well as teach myself. So it's not a any kind of okay, I'm a perfectional. So please guys, take things easy and normal. Okay brother, so I come to the point. If we use was, so कोई हम किसी काम को पीछे कर रहे थे, जैसे हम पास्ट में जो कोई काम कर रहे थे, वो काम लाइक कुछ भी हो सकता है। मैं खाना खा रहा था, मैं सो रहा था, मैं रो रहा था, मैं नाच रहा था, मैं कूद रहा था, मैं क्लास पढ़ा रहा था, मतलब मैं पढ़ रहा था, मैं जा रहा था, मैं खा रहा था, इस टाइप दीज काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस वी मेक विथ वाज वर plus ing. So guys, I just teach you about this structure. Like if we talking about मैं जा रहा था, तो how we say I was going. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था, I was going to school. मैं ऑफिस जा रहा था, I was going to office. I was going to. When we talking about you, so that time we use were. Like you were going office, तुम ऑफिस जा रहे थे, तो I was show you, not I show you यानी होता है देखना, मतलब देखा था. See, show, seen, something like these kind of structure of first form, third form, second form, or third form. So if I'm talking about the word, like word, like I were not I were, he, not you were go to school. So sorry for I just slipped my mind this sentence were. So now my legs are starting paining, but it's okay. I take class because it's necessary for me. Yeah, I have completed my course, so that's why I need to practice more practice. So I just start these making these video because it's helped me to gain my knowledge. Because I feel like a person sitting beside me, like in my front of myself. So I giving any interview kind of situation now presently for me. So brother, if I'm talking about the future continuous tense, that time we use I was playing, I was eating, I was sleeping, I was रीडिंग. मतलब मैं कर रहा था, मैं खा रहा था, मैं सो रहा था, मैं पी रहा था, मैं रो रहा था, मैं गा रहा था, मैं these kind of structure, these kind of sentence we make in our past perfect past continuous tense. So if I'm talking about the future continuous tense, like first of all I just need to clear one thing that I left. How we make question from helping verb. So we make question like if I'm talking about the was you, not a were you going school, were you going school, was don't we use was. So she was she go school, was she go to school, was she go to school, क्या वह स्कूल गया था. So so that how we make question, where you go to school, where you go to school, where you go to school. So how we translate in Hindi, like क्या तुम स्कूल गए थे, जा रहे थे, क्या तुम स्कूल जा रहे थे, मतलब these kind of sentence, these kind of meaning of this sentence. So let's ahead we talking about future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. So that the structure of future continuous tense is this: will, not a will, subject, will, be, और verb की first form में ing and object. So this is the structure of future continuous tense. So guys, we make the question from this and this tenses, like how we make question. I just told you, I just teach you, like मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं कल जयपुर जाऊँगा या मैं कल जयपुर जा रहा हूँ. So we are use this tense rarely. Nobody say कि मैं कल जयपुर जा रहा हूँ, मैं कल खाना खा रहा हूँ. So these kind of structure we, कल क्या तुम खाना खा रहे होगे, कल क्या तुम डांस कर रहे होगे, कल क्या तुम नाच रहे होंगे. So this is a very how to say, it's a very weird sentence we make if we make. So but I just want to tell you how we make. क्या कल मतलब how we say मैं कल जयपुर जा रहा हूँ. I will be going Jaipur tomorrow. मैं कल जयपुर जा रहा हूँ. So it's not a useful for me and also you. So I'm not talking about this because I also don't know. So how my sir was teach me. Yes, my sir taught me this structure, but I forgot. I forgot. I forgot it, this kind of sentence. So that brother, I will meet you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.